Hey everyone, it's me Shivika. Hope you guys doing well. I'm here with you a new video which is in my own voice because it will help you a lot to learn every step. So don't miss any step, and before starting tutorial do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you guys will get notification for more tutorials like this. If you guys want to achieve a flawless base, so you can also do skin prep. Skin prep is must in makeup. CTM is must. C, it's mean cleansing. T, it's mean toning. M, it's mean moisturizing. So three step is must if you're doing makeup. Then I tone her face with the help of toner. This toner is from Love Earth, and this is must have products, guys. This is an amazing product. Then I'm using a Biotique moisturizer and spread it all over the face and neck also. It will gives us a glowing and healthy base. And then I prep her eyes with the help of concealer. I applied concealer all over the eyelid and spread it with the help of beauty blender. Then I set her eyes with loose powder. And then I'm taking a peach kind of a color for transition shade with the help of transition brush. It, then I'm taking brown color with the help of deposit brush and blend all over the lid area. Then I'm taking a kind of a dark brown blackish color and blend it all over the lid area and intensify the lash line area. I applied the shimmer shade in inner corners and brow bones also. Then I prime her face with the help of primer. It's a silicone based primer, and spread all over the nose and T-zone. And then I'm using a stop cream to highlight her face. Stop cream it helps to highlight face and glowy it gives a glowy base. Then I apply a darker shade concealer which is helps to hide her spots, dark circles and affected areas. Then I applied a foundation which is a shade lighter, a one shade lighter of a skin tone. And then I'm applied a concealer which is helps to highlighted her face. We use concealer for highlighted my highlighted points and then blend it very well. I'm using a liquid blush which is from Blue Heaven. This is super duper affordable yet super pigmented as well. And I love blushy flushy kind of a cheeks. That's why I applied it. And then I set her face with the help of loose powder, a translucent powder, which is gives you a long lasting base. And I also applied a brown shadow on her lower lash. Then I apply white kajal on waterline. It will looks your eyes more bigger. Then I applied a highlighter to highlight her face. Then I apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara. Then I comb her eyebrows with the help of spoolie, and then I set her eyebrows with kind of a dark brown shade. Then I outlined her lips with the help of dark brown shade. It will look your lips more bigger and plumpy. And then I fill her lips with lipstick, kind of a peachy nude shade. And then I applied a red shade for ombre effect. Then I applied a lip gloss on the top of lipstick. Then I applied a mink lashes. Now look is complete. If you guys like the video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button and also press the bell icon.